I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 things you shouldn't do when organizing your closet. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you shouldn't do when organizing your closet is to use wire hangers. Death to the wire hangers. Okay, so the reason why I am so passionate about wire hangers or about hating wire hangers is because a traumatic experience. Story time. So I was about 7 years old when I was helping my mom hang some clothes because that's what I like to do at 7 years old. And as I was hanging up atop, the hook of the wire hanger went through my eyelid, out through my eyebrow, and out. And it happened in the span of 3 seconds, and it changed my life. And now I have a scar on my eyebrow, reminding me of that said incident. Other than being weapons, they distort our clothes, they misshapen our clothes, they tangle up within each other, and they make that annoying sound when you drag them across the closet rod. Ugh. So what you can do is gather all of your wire hangers, bundle them up together, and take them to the dry cleaners. See, I didn't say throw them away. You thought I was going to say that, didn't you? And what this does is it allows them to reuse them, and it also keeps them out of the landfills, which is the best part about it. So the second thing you shouldn't do when organizing your closet is to leave your shoes on the floor. So the thing is, when you have a bare floor, it gives the illusion that your space is actually more organized than it probably is. Great thing about this is there are various solutions to take your shoes off the floor. I did create a video showing you 3 different shoe solutions you can use to organize your shoes, and I'll leave the link below. And there are various other shoe organizers out there that can do the same thing. They come in different shapes and sizes. You have some that hang on the closet rod. You have some where you can put your shoe inside of them. And you also have shoe racks. Shoe racks are probably one of the more inexpensive ways you can organize a multitude of shoes using one organizer. So, and even though they do sit on the floor, they do still keep your shoes off the floor. So the third thing not to do when organizing your closet is to add too many organizing products to your closet. Emphasis on too many. So, of course, I am someone who loves organizing products. I have organizing products everywhere in my space because I don't have a lot of stuff. So the thing with organizing products is you are adding stuff onto stuff, and that particular stuff will take up space. So for instance, I do have a shelf in my closet, and on that shelf sits 4 bins that have specific items in them. So if I were to take those items out of the bins and place them on this bare shelf, you will notice how much space I still have to add other things. You get what I mean? So bins take up space. But the great thing about bins are they do create division in your space, and it does give your space a more organized look. So they are great, but just keep in mind when you do add organizing products, you are adding essentially more clutter into your space. Therefore, it's important that you purge. So this brings us to the next thing not to do. So the 4th thing not to do when organizing your closet is to overstuff your closet. Trust me, I get this. Many of us have so many clothes in our closet because a lot of them are just things we've worn in the past and things we want to wear in the future. So we're going to call them in the future clothes. Trust me, I get it. I've gained 10 pounds. And because of said 10 pounds, I can no longer fit in some pants that I love. And because of that, I now have the small section in my closet filled with clothes that I can no longer wear, at least not at this moment. Because I do have a limited amount of stuff, I do still keep it in my closet. But I do come across a lot of individuals whose entire closet is filled with in the future clothes. And the thing with in the future clothes is we're more likely not to use those in the future clothes because let's say, for instance, you lose those 10 pounds, those 15 pounds, those 50 pounds within the next year, you're probably less likely to wear said clothes because things change, the fashion industry changes, and you just don't have a need for those clothes. And if you have an overstuffed closet, spillage starts to happen. Spillage is when you have so much stuff in a space, it starts to spill out into another space close by. So if we're talking about the closet, now you start to see piles of clothes or paper in your bedroom, which becomes its own thing because now you're not just organizing your closet, you're organizing your bedroom. And then sometimes that spills out into another room. You get it? It just becomes spillage. It becomes these piles and piles of things that now you need to go through. And then it starts to get more overwhelming and you can't do it. And then all of a sudden I get a call to help those individuals, which I love it. So it's not a problem for me. So to keep this at a minimal, you do have to understand that purging is important. Purging being one of the most important parts in getting organized, because you got to get rid of stuff to be more organized. You just have to, especially if we're working with a small space. And the reason for this spillage is usually because the new items you bring into your closet. And in order to combat that clutter, you have to incorporate the 3-in-1 method, which is you take 3 clothes out when you bring in 1 new one. And what this does is just keeps your clutter at bay, or minimize the clutter so you can keep your closet organized. I hope that makes sense, guys. I hope it does. And if it doesn't, let me know in the comment section below and I will be happy to give you more details about it. And also I did write a blog post about this very topic. So please check it out in the link down below, and comment there too. The last thing you shouldn't do when organizing your closet is to not create categories. Let's say that again. So the 5th thing you should do when organizing your closet is to create categories. So categories are designated sections in your closet that belong to a particular clothing item. So for instance, let's say you have your dresses in the front of your closet, you have your pants on the bottom or the lower closet rod, and then you have your jackets in the far back. You get what I mean? So you have sections of clothing items in each part of your closet. And what this does is it allows you to know exactly what you have, so that if you do choose to go out and buy some new items, of course, you'll be using the 3-in-1 method. You know for sure that you do not have that particular item, and you could bring that new item into your closet and have a space for it. It allows you to know what you have. It allows you to not overbuy something you already have, and it keeps your space organized. So as you can see, this video really is just about things you can do to keep your closet organized or to get your closet organized. And I just kind of wanted to give it the rescue my space spin and do and say the opposite. This video really is just to motivate you guys as the spring time is coming. Therefore, spring cleaning is coming. So these are just, just tips to help you guys get your closet more organized. So before I end this video, I do want to let you know that in the next video, I will be announcing the 2 giveaway winners. If you do want to join the giveaway, all you have to do is answer my question in the Amazon products video, and I will leave the link below. Answer my question, leave a comment, and I will then go through the comments, figure out which one I like the most, and then announce those giveaway winners in the next video. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. I never know what to do with my hands. I mean, I'm like, should I keep it in a fist mode? Should I keep it out? Should I cover my boobs? Should I put it down? I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. So, okay. I should put